So between the 5th and the 16th of May, I was seeing various freight movements and engineer works in and around the central belt of Scotland and the Ayrshire coastline. So our first one is at Glasgow Central on the 5th, where we see 37, 610 and 219 running 3 Quebec 35, 2332, Moss End to Moss End UTU. And then we go to Paisley Gilmour Street on the 13th, where we see Colesville Freight Class 56s and 37s working. So the first one will be the 6N47, 1804 Prestwick to Grangemouth aviation fuel empties with 56087. And then the final catch that evening would be 1 Quebec 75, early 1849 turned up at 1831, Moss End to Moss End PLPR train with 37116 and 219. And then a day after on the 14th, we'd go out yet again to the PLPR, this time at Blackstone Road near Fergusley Park. This is now run the 1 Quebec 76, 1915, Moss End to Moss End, with 37219 now leading and 116 trailing. And then we go to Holytown on the 16th, where we see 6K15, the early 1358 turned up at 1324, Miller Hill SS2 Shieldmuir Engineers train with 66514. And then my last catch at Holytown would be 6K20, the early 1417 they're up at 1337, close rail freight, Dumfries to Miller Hill SS Engineers train, yet it had a DB shed on it, 66124. And then we go to Johnstone on that same day, C4M82, the delayed 1500 turn up at 1524, Moss End Downyard to Daventry with 68001.